A lot of people, as soon as they come back from the gravesite, they don't cleanse themselves off imimoya. So one thing that would happen is that you find all of a sudden in the house, you start having a whole lot of problems, apart from talking about witchcraft, apart from talking about uptagati. In most cases, you find Uti, as soon as a person comes back, they're already carrying a spirit. Maybe 1, maybe 10, maybe 20, you wouldn't even know, because they're not going to be visible up until they find a place. And you find all of a sudden endlini, you start having problems. Imali ayihlali endlini and all those things. You have a whole lot of problems. Now all of a sudden you have a child who doesn't sleep, simply because of someone came back with those spirits. And those spirits, let me just tell you, there's a lot of ghosts, and they will mess up your life. They will mess up your life. All of a sudden, you're going to start having spiritual attacks, and you start blaming everyone, Gandhi, only to find out that someone attended a funeral or someone went to a gravesite and they came back with an evil spirit. So it is very much important for one to make sure that you cleanse yourself every time you attend a funeral or you go to a gravesite. Make sure you get water in intelezi or water ithandazelwe, so that we fight those spirits. Thank you once again for those who keep on sending me messages so that I can start doing videos. Thank you. God bless you all.